In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF file in Mailchimp, quick and easy. Whether you want to share a document with your subscribers or include an informational PDF in your email campaign, I'm here to guide you step by step through the process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Mailchimp account using your credentials. If you haven't already set up an account, you might want to pause and do that first. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which is the central hub for all your Mailchimp activities. Now, to upload your PDF, we need to head over to the Content Studio. Look over to the left side of your screen and you'll see a menu with several options. Click on the one labeled Content. This will expand and reveal a few more choices. From these, select Content Studio. The Content Studio is essentially your library for all the files and images you wish to use in Mailchimp. It's the space where everything you upload will be stored, making it easy to manage your digital assets. Now that we're in the Content Studio, it's time to upload your PDF. Look over to the top right corner of the Content Studio page and you should see a button labeled Upload. This button is your gateway to adding new content to your library. Click on it. A window should pop up giving you access to your computer files. Navigate to the PDF file you wish to upload, select it, and then click Open. Your PDF will now begin uploading to Mailchimp. You'll see a progress bar indicate when its upload is complete, making it visible in your Content Studio for future use. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a PDF file to Mailchimp. The Content Studio now holds your PDF, and you can easily share it in your email campaigns or newsletters with just a few clicks. Remember, organizing your uploads can be really helpful, especially if you're handling multiple files. Consider naming your files clearly and maybe even create folders for easier navigation in the future. Thanks for watching and following along with me today. With these simple steps, you should have no trouble uploading PDFs to Mailchimp whenever you need to. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Until next time, happy emailing!